All right, what's going on, everybody? It's Friday, 7:50 a.m., September 4th. I did a video earlier today giving full details of exactly what we should be looking at, going into September. But I'm going to give you guys this video, which is going to be a less than 5-minute video for a strategy that we're going to follow for the rest of September. And I'll show you very simply exactly how it works. So as you can see, this was the bull market right here in 2019. Notice these are the EMAs, or not the EMAs, I guess these are the moving averages. This one is the 50 moving average on the daily time frame, and this purple one right here is the 128 moving average, as you can see. Notice that once they start flipping bullishly right here around April or March 2019, we go straight up parabolic, and then we start grinding and moving sideways up here. Okay, and then the moving averages kind of come towards price, and the price starts breaking below each of the moving averages and finds support on the 128 moving average. And then what happens is once price finds support on the 128 moving average right there, which as you can see is the purple line, it goes back towards the 50 moving average and it tests it and tries to see if we can break through that area. And as you can see, we fail, right? And then we start grinding and moving sideways. We reject the 50 moving average, and then we dump, a good $2,000 or $3,000 down towards 7,000 and some change. Okay, the same thing happens right here. Okay, we had a bull market, right? Price again comes back, breaks towards the 128 moving average. Okay, finds support right there, goes up towards the 50 moving average, right? Gets rejected or barely, comes close to it, and then gets squeezed and gets rejected between these two moving averages. And then obviously you guys know what happened. We dumped straight from 9,000 all the way to 3,000. Now, the point is that we don't really know the size of the dump that's going to come, but these two moving averages converging and squeezing price is going to be of the utmost importance, in my opinion, for the next several days ahead. So I would look for where this 50 moving average is. Currently, it's around 11,100. And again, I've spoken about 11,000, 11,200 as the key levels that we should be looking out for anyway. And look for the price to be squeezed in this area. And if it starts getting rejected around the 50 moving average and we start breaking down, kind of like we did right here, or we can't sustain above the 50 moving average, okay, it's time to get out, right? It's time to get out. It's time to sell, or it's time to short, because we know for sure that more than likely there's a dump coming. And it's not simply the fact that the moving averages, show the story of there's a dump coming. It's already the fact that prices found support on a key moving average. We're already seeing, structural weakness in the market. And so these moving averages simply help us to understand where the levels are that we should be looking for strength on the way up, or potential weakness on the way down. Okay, so keep an eye on this 50 moving average, 128 moving average. Turn this on your chart and start watching it for the days ahead. Because like I said, for the days ahead, I am fully expecting either price to rip through 11,000, or it's going to get rejected around 50 moving average, and we're going to start dumping. And that's where I'd want to start exiting my positions, exiting my altcoins, and possibly shorting BTC. Okay, this was just a quick strategy update for you guys, something that you can watch. So I hope it was helpful. Cheers.